In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Amazon. Whether you're on a computer or a mobile browser, the process is very similar, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel completely natural. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each screen you'll see so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's website by typing the address into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the home page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a greeting that says something like, "Hello, sign in." This is your main entry point for logging in. Move your mouse over that "Hello, sign in" area. When you hover over it, a small drop-down panel should appear. In that panel, you'll see an option that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. The page will reload and take you to Amazon's sign-in page. On this sign-in page, you'll see a text field asking for your mobile number or email address. This should be the same information you used when you created your Amazon account. Carefully type in your email address or your mobile number. Take a quick moment to double check what you've entered to avoid any typos, because even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you're sure it's correct, click the Continue button. The page will reload again, and now you'll see another text field, this time asking for your password. Type in your Amazon password. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters, as passwords are case sensitive. If you're on a private device, you might see an option to show or hide your password while you type, which can help you make sure it's entered correctly. After entering your password, click the Sign In button. The page will reload once more, and as long as your details were correct, you'll now be logged into your Amazon account. You'll usually be taken back to the Amazon homepage, but now you'll notice that the message in the top right has changed to greet you by name or show that you're signed in. From here, you can start browsing, checking your orders, updating your account, or shopping as you normally would. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Amazon.